Well, hello. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be tackling the headlights on a E320 Mercedes Benz. So that's the project for today. We're going to be actually replacing the entire assembly as one, and I'm probably going to be trying to clear up some of these scratches that were done when somebody tried to polish these headlights. So I'm going to be working on that today, and that's going to be the project for today. All right, so today I am unboxing the headlights that I ordered, and these are a set for a 1998 E320. W210 is the model number. So these lights will work from 1996 through 1999, and I paid, I think, around $200 off of eBay. So they're supposed to be direct replacements. So that's what we're going to be working with today, and I'm going to have my helper today, Antonella, and say hello. She got her gloves on and ready.
Hello.
To help out. We're going to open this up. All right, Antonella. So we got left and we got right. So we're going to start with I think I'll start with the right, which your assembly looks like.
Whoa.
Those are new lights.
Me like. I like the headlights.
So we're going to unwrap all these.
It's big.
It's got the headlights, bulbs, everything, the whole assembly there. I'm going to leave this plastic on here so I don't scratch the lenses, and we'll work on that at the end. All right, so we're going to set this aside for now, and we're going to work on the removal of the headlights.
We're going to be removing this rubber seal to get the 8mm bolt out.
Move this rubber seal back, take the 8mm bolt. You want to take that out, Antonella?
Sure.
You loosened it out, but you didn't remove it. Here, take that bolt out. Okay, just put it on the ground. And then we have one more bolt up here, and that will remove this panel. No?
Yes.
All right, put it there on the ground with the other one.
It's dirty.
All right, so we have that removed. This rubber seal, this whole thing should come out.
And then we might be able to get this one.
All right, so this whole thing comes out. And it's got a rubber seal here. I'm just gonna leave it dangling here.
And we'll be able to.
You can remove that, but we don't need to. And then from there, I think we're gonna be removing these. Let me see your tool, let me see if this is an 8mm. That's an 8mm too. So we're gonna remove this one. And there's one underneath here. And there's one up here. So there should be 3. You wanna remove those, Antonella?
Sure.
Just make sure that bolt, keep your hand underneath there so that bolt doesn't drop. Here you go. We'll just do it like this. Yep, you can do that. Okay, grab that. Okay, so we have that. Yep. That's loose. And then we'll do this one too. That's good. So put that underneath there. And then we got one more underneath here.
Ah, so hot.
Ah, I know it's hot.
I almost dropped the. I'm sweating too.
All right. So where are the other bolts? Over there, right?
Yep.
Okay. So that's the bolts. That's the one. This looks like a screw that goes down this way.
Kind of
The one that looks like a machine screw goes up here. And then you have these little ones that go for this actual cover here.
And then
So this should be, hopefully, this whole thing should come right out. Everything is like it's supposed to be.
and then we'll see the back, and maybe it might be so dirty.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Let's see, we might have to unhook this first. Let's try to see if we can unhook this. So I just unhooked the top one. Let's see if that helps.
Yep.
That helped.
It's like taking a
So unhook the
tooth
top one and then unhook.
Ugh, that is ew.
Pretty dirty, isn't it?
Show the viewers.
Let's see. Just gotta figure out how to unhook this one. We should be okay.
Yep.
I might need a screwdriver.
And then
Alright.
and then help them all.
Alright. So this one just pinches on the sides. The sides, once you pinch them on the sides, it comes out. And then the other one, I think just you pinch it from the top and the bottom, and the whole thing comes out. And that is what your assembly looks like. That's what it looks like from the back. We have one of these covers also in the kit. So I'll be showing you
This is what the other one looks like.
the screw. Just make sure you put those on the other side so they don't get mixed up with this one. But that's what the headlight, the old one, looks like. I'm gonna be refinishing these, and look at that water coming out of there. And
I guess I'll take this one
I'm gonna see if I can refinish these and probably try to sell them. They go for pretty good money. All right, this is the new light. Not sure what this is. This holds on to that new, cover. I don't know what this is. I think it might just be for shipping. There's like a plastic tie here. I'm gonna remove that. I don't think that that's needed. So, and then I'll see if this is needed for something. I'm not sure. But for now, I am leaving that out. We'll figure it out, but other than that, you know, it's about putting this back in.
I think you might be able to loosen the other one out.
Oh yeah, we gotta do this. Remember that seal? We gotta remove that.
Right. Gosh. Take the rubber out. Take the rubber out. Ah, gee, that looks hard. It's
All right, so we're gonna put this back on. This has a waterproof seal on it. So,
Hola, Monica.
so now we're gonna start with this light. Yep, left and right, other way, other way. Yep,
It's hard.
you gotta do it, there you go. See, you just gotta put some oomph into it. Just like the thing went. So now we're just reconnecting everything back. We're gonna plug this back in here, and that other cable, let's see where that's at. cable's right here. We're gonna plug that one back in also. All right, so everything's plugged back in. We're gonna put this side in first and try to align things. Okay. I'm sweating up the storm right here.
Ooh, okay, almost got it. There. I was almost sitting on your sweat. Got it.
Okay. Alrighty. You got it off? Mm-hmm. On the floor? Okay. And then there's one in here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to get that. You can try to get it. It's right in here. Alright. So we're going to try to get these on.
Yeah. Can't get it.
Alright, I'll help you in a bit. See if we can get this into here. I should take all this plastic off before. Otherwise it's gonna get stuck in there like it just did. Alright, I'm gonna loosen this up. Alright, take that plastic off. Otherwise it's gonna get stuck. Now, well, you're gonna have to take another shower. Because you're gonna be very sweaty after this. You wanna tighten it? Turn it. Just hold it with one hand and turn this one that way. Yep. This is Grandpa's car we're working on today.
Kind of hard.
It's not too bad. You're good? Alright, so we're putting the new headlights back on. It's like 90-something degrees today and it's humid and we're sweating like crazy here. But for alignment for this, I found the easiest thing is to get it where you need it. Get everything loose, the 3 bolts. Put this back on and kind of move it where you want it when it's loose. When everything's lined up, then you just hold it there, remove this cover, tighten this one down here. So this is the one that's going to hold the up and down movement. So this one I've already tightened. And then from there, go ahead and tighten the other one. This one tight. Go with this one. So now we go back to putting this back on. This rubber seal goes over. And let's see. I'm going to start with this screw over here first. Alright, so before I tighten it all the way, get everything lined up, and I'm going to go ahead and put the one on top. Lined up here. Let's try turning the lights on and see what happens. And there you have your lights. The new ones compared to the old ones. So we'll go ahead and work on the other one. You see the new lights?
Wow. We just need to take this one out.
All right, so that's the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on and see what we've got. What do you think, Antonella?
Wow, that is awesome. I like it.
Better than the old lights?
Mm-hmm. Not that shiny, it's just yellow.
Let me try the high beams. See what happens. There's the high beams.
Wow, it's glowing yellow. Gold. Yellow gold. It's cool. So the other one isn't.
So those are the turn signals.
Wow! Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, wow. I like that. I like it. I like it. It's looking like new, no?
Mm.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you,
you so
Antonella.
much. You know?
You did a good job.
You know, I like it. Antonella, you know, my granddaughter do good job too.
I don't know.
She do good job, my granddaughter. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Victoria.
Beautiful. Thank you.
She's coming to see the car too. You like the new headlights, Victoria?
Yep.
Good luck.
You did a good job, huh?
I didn't notice anything.
Oh, I know, because you didn't see it before. You just saw the after. There's the before. Those are the old headlights over there on the ground.
Wow.
You see how they're all foggy? Yeah.
That one is.
Thank you, Antonella.
Thanks. Thank you, Antonella.
Welcome.
All righty.
And thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where's my ice cream?
Right here.
What do you want to tell my YouTube channel?
Subscribe to Antonella and Victoria's channel.
You have your own channel.
Antonella Victoria's Excellent Adventures.
All right. And how about my channel? Should they subscribe to my channel too?
Yep.
What's my channel?
Omar's Garage.
So subscribe to Omar's Garage on YouTube, and subscribe, like, and hit the notification button. So this has been the replacement of the headlights for a Mercedes E320 W2 model W210. It's a 98 from 96 through 99. It's the same procedure. From 99 and up, I think you have to remove the front bumper. So that's pretty much the only difference, but everything else, you know, is
never miss a video.
pretty straightforward. You know, just make sure these rubber seals are good. And that's pretty much it. So thank you.